These are the 2 packs of the shower caddies. Yes, they're shower caddies, but you can use them in the kitchen, you can use them in the bathroom, you can use them anywhere you want. They're super easy because they have the adhesive right here. You just stick to any surface, and the strong adhesive. This is a very strong adhesive, but there's no drilling needed. And notice that it's a 2-pack, but one is a little bit bigger than the other. You don't really notice it, but it is a tad bigger. But that's fine for us because we're using it in the kitchen, and these things are rust proof, they're waterproof, and they look really good. And these things are strong, so now we can put all of our stuff on this shelf. We can put our pepper, our salt right here, right? We can put our honey, whatever we want. And these shelves can handle it. They can handle a lot of weight. And I love it because they're so simple, they look so clean, and it's an easy installation. That's my favorite part. There's no drilling needed. You don't have to worry about installation or dirt or debris or any of that. It's adhesive. You peel it off the backing, you stick it on, and it's super strong. Super strong. So there's our 2-pack of shelves. They look great. And again, we're using it in the kitchen. It doesn't need to be used in a bathroom at all, and it looks just fine. There's hooks that comes with it, but we don't need the hooks. We're just using the shelf as is like that, and it looks fantastic.